Jack Smith is a legal powerhouse. He just issued a superseding indictment in the January 6th case against the convicted felon Trump, the one with Judge Chutkan presiding. I'll explain more after this.
A federal grand jury in the District of Columbia returned a superseding indictment charging the defendant with the same criminal offenses that were charged in the original indictment. The superseding indictment, which was presented to a new grand jury that had not previously heard evidence in this case, reflects the government's efforts to respect and implement the Supreme Court's holding and remand instructions.
Let me break it down. Jack Smith took the previous case, redid some stuff, and he reintroduced it to a separate grand jury that voted again to indict the felon on the same evidence with the original charges. So the number of charges remains the same in this new document. However, they tweaked the language to align with the recent Supreme Court immunity decision. Now, Judge Chutkan doesn't have to do legal somersaults to edit things out. In other words, they gave it a legal facelift to ensure it sticks. This superseding indictment, or the redraft, strategically omits specific actions the felon took that could be seen as part of his official duties as president. But here's the thing. We know the felon is gonna cry foul, and MAGA is gonna whine about double jeopardy, and it's neither. This just shows how strong of a case Jack Smith produced, and that a second jury felt the felon's guilt strong enough to issue the indictment. Jack Smith is making sure that if the felon tries to hide behind the presidential immunity card, they've got a well-polished indictment ready to play. Checkmate, biatch!